This is the second part video where I show you how to use Pythagorean theorem. In this example, we will solve for a missing leg. So we're no longer looking for the hypotenuse, which is side C. In this example, the side C, again, which is the side directly across from the right angle. The right angle is a little corner that is shaped like a triangle here. This side here is C. So we already have a value for C. What we're missing is actually this bottom piece here. So side A, as I said before, is the vertical side. It goes up and down. So it is this side right here. And then that means this missing side is side B. So when I go ahead and plug everything that I know into the Pythagorean theorem, I know A is 6. Let me clean that up. So 6 to the power 2. Now I don't know what B is. That's the thing that we are trying to find. So I'm just going to leave it as B. So B to the power 2. And this is equal to C, which is 10 to the power 2. Okay, so setting it up again requires you to be able to identify what side is A, what side is B, and what side is C. Doing so is probably one of the more important concepts for you to learn. Everything else here is just going to be algebra. I'm using algebra skills here. So again, finding 6 to the power 2, I'm going to go to my calculator. I'm going to do 6 to the power 2, which is 36. So I know 6 to the power 2 is actually 36. B to the power 2, I can't do in my calculator, so I'm just going to leave it as B to the power 2 right now. And then 10 to the power 2, I could put in my calculator, right? Do 10 power 2, and that's 100. So this is equal to 100. Okay, so your goal is to get B to the power 2 by itself, but it's currently being added to 36. So what you want to do is to get this alone, we need to get rid of the 36. I do that by subtracting 36 from the left side of the equals. And if I do it to the left side of the equals, I have to do it from the right as well, right? Equals means balanced. It means that whatever you do on the left, you do on the right. So if I remove 36 from the left, in order to keep it equal, I remove 36 from the right. So those two cancel each other out. They go away, leaving me with B squared is equal to 100 minus 36. Go to my calculator, 100 minus 36, which is 64. Now, as I mentioned in the last video, I have to get rid of the second power. I don't want B squared, I want B, right? And it makes sense. If you think about this triangle, this side being 6 and this side being 10, there's no way the side is 64. That's way too big. So if I take the square root of both sides, if I take the square root of B squared, that'll leave me with B. If I take the square root of 64, I'll go into my calculator, type in the square root button, I'll type in 64, and it'll give me 8. Hey, it's a number I don't even have to round. So this is just equal to 8. And that is how I use Pythagorean theorem to solve for a missing leg of a triangle.